Partial payment. In this tutorial, you will learn how to record partial payments in Zoho Books. A useful feature when customers make payments in installments or when you receive only part of the invoice amount. We will cover how to enter partial payment, view the remaining balance, and track payment history to keep your accounts accurate and up to date. We will enter few partial payments here. Now when you are entering partial payment, we will use payment received method and record payment method. Right, first we will use this record payment method. You can go to unpaid invoices, or you can go to invoice list and select unpaid invoice. Now in this invoice amount is 1,200. Assume customer pays only 1,000. We will record the payment. By clicking this record payment, we can enter the payment. That company name already selected, location selected, payment number will automatically display. Now here in amount received amount, system will automatically populate the invoice amount. Now invoice amount is 1,200. Assume customer pays only 1,000. So we can change the amount and we can save as paid. Now after you go to the invoice, you can see payments made is 1,000 and balance due is 200. In the invoice list also you can view invoice amount is 1,200 and balance is 200. So like that you can enter partial payments. Next we'll move to payment received and we will enter another transaction by clicking this plus mark. You can select the customer and there are three outstanding invoices. So assume from that 1,000 customer has paid only 800. Here customer has paid only 800. So in the 19 invoice number, invoice amount is 1,000, amount is 1,000, customer is paid only 800. We will save as paid. We will go to 19 invoice number. Now here you can see invoice amount is 1,000, balance amount is 200. We have paid only 800, therefore system will display the invoice amount and the balance amount. Like that you can enter partial payments.